Let's discover the 5 teas that promote heart health by clearing arteries and lowering blood pressure. Tea consumption can provide remarkable health benefits, including the cleansing of arteries, lowering cholesterol levels, and reducing high blood pressure. While the type of tea you drink matters, it's important to note that lifestyle and diet are crucial factors for maintaining a healthy heart. So let's begin by number 5, garlic tea. Garlic tea, a popular choice throughout history, has been shown to effectively lower cholesterol, blood pressure, and treat atherosclerosis. By consuming garlic tea regularly, you can maintain clean and healthy arteries, reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. To prepare garlic tea, slice garlic and simmer in hot water. You can enhance the taste with spices or honey. To support these claims, let's talk about a previous study. A randomized controlled trial published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2016 investigated the effects of garlic on cardiovascular risk factors in people with high blood pressure. The study involved 50 participants who were randomly assigned to receive either a garlic supplement or a placebo for 12 weeks. Those in the garlic group received a supplement containing 240 mg of allicin, the active compound in garlic, while those in the placebo group received a supplement containing no allicin. After 12 weeks, the researchers found that participants in the garlic group had a significant decrease in diastolic blood pressure compared to those in the placebo group. In addition, the garlic group showed improvements in several other cardiovascular risk factors, including total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, and triglycerides. Now let's move on to number 4, turmeric tea. Turmeric, a yellow spice containing curcumin, offers numerous health benefits. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties make it a valuable addition to a heart-healthy diet. Research suggests that curcumin helps thin the blood, reduce cholesterol, and prevent artery narrowing. An amazing way to boost curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%, which many people don't know, is to add a pinch of black pepper. So to prepare turmeric tea, boil water and add grated or sliced raw turmeric or turmeric powder. Then add a pinch of black pepper. Strain the tea and add honey or lemon for flavor enhancement. Note that turmeric may interact with blood thinning medications, so consult a doctor before adding it to your diet if you are taking these medications. Next up on the list is number 3, onion tea. Onion tea is often overlooked, but it is a hidden gem for heart health. Onions are rich in flavonoids called quercetin, which promote the production of good cholesterol, HDL, and reduce bad cholesterol levels. As well as that, the sulfur present in ions help dilute the blood, preventing the formation of blood clots. To prepare onion tea, boil chopped onions, crush garlic cloves, and add a bay leaf in the water. Strain the mixture and add honey or lemon juice for taste. For optimal results, consume this tea on an empty stomach in the morning. Next up, number 2, ginseng tea. Ginseng tea, derived from ginseng roots, is a highly nutritious herbal supplement. Packed with antioxidants, it can slow the heart rate and reduce the heart's demand for oxygen. Ginseng root also strengthens the heart muscle, protecting it from myopathy. This tea is known to be a natural remedy for controlling hypertension. Ginseng tea can be prepared by simmering ginseng roots in hot water. Capsules and powdered forms of ginseng are also available as supplements, but I would recommend using the fresh ginseng root if that is available to you. Next up, number 1 is Oolong Tea. Oolong Tea, derived from partially oxidized Camellia sinensis leaves, is a traditional Chinese tea. It offers a range of benefits for heart, brain, bone, and dental health. Oolong Tea has been found to boost metabolism, decrease the risk of type 2 diabetes, and protect against certain cancers. Research suggests that regular consumption of Oolong Tea may reduce the risk of heart disease. It's available in both light and dark versions. To make this tea, simply soak tea leaves in hot water and enjoy its taste and benefits. If you learned something new, then hit the like and subscribe button, and have a wonderful day.